Oh, hello, I'm Peter Barnett, a product manager at InfluxData. And today we launched InfluxDB 3.1, which is our first major update to Core and Enterprise. Now, this comes with a lot of new features, and it starts with expanded token support. We've introduced a new operator level token, which functions as a superadmin that cannot be edited and will not expire. And it's supplemented now by new named admin tokens. These you can give perhaps individual users who will then have admin permissions, but these can expire over time, ensuring you have tight security. Now, this is for both Core and Enterprise, so you can be sure whichever instance you're running in production, you're going to have great security protocols. For Enterprise, we've also introduced cache reloading. So for your last value and your distinct value caches, they will actually reload on restart or initial creation, so you're able to populate in historical data and have quick access to your most recent values. For Core and Enterprise, we've also introduced enhanced metrics, so you have better visibility than ever into how your instances are performing. And on top of all of this, we've introduced over 50 new features that are just meant to improve performance, security, and generate a better overall experience. We're really excited about what we've been able to deliver in such a short time since the launch of InfluxDB 3. Now, one final thing is we're also releasing our second beta of InfluxDB 3 Explorer, which is quickly becoming one of the best ways you can visualize your databases, manage your tokens, query your data, and so much more. We highly suggest you check it out to get a better understanding of how you can interact with InfluxDB 3. We're really excited about what we've already been able to create and launch. We've got a lot more coming forward with InfluxDB 3.2. It's of course based on your feedback, so would really prefer to continue to hear that feedback coming in as we continue to build towards that in the coming weeks. Can't wait to see all the incredible things you build, and thanks for listening.